Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Hope you are doing good and great. If you are new here, just click the subscribe button, click and join the family. Go ahead to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll advise you to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you will learn something new. This is a detailed tutorial on how to do the invisible sleek ponytail. And here is the hair I'm using for today's tutorial. It's from Ishow hair. They sent me 3 bundles and a frontal. The hair came in this cute pink box. Inside the box is the hair. They sent me, like I said before, 3 bundles and the frontal, and the bundles are in 26 inches and the frontal is in 20 inches, but I won't be using the frontal for today's tutorial. Here is what the hair looks like. First impression, the wefts are neatly sewn to each other, through to length, soft, and here is what the tips looks like. Okay, first you want to be sure that the client's hair is neat, like you prepare the client's hair before styling it. So what you do is to wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner, also dry it, blow dry it with hand dryer, and apply some hair cream. For styling, the first thing I'm doing is just to straighten her hair, and I got this straightener from Wuse Market in Abuja, Nigeria for about 4,500. I'm going to leave like the dollar exchange rate here on the screen.
Never break, always fight, never quit.
And once that is done, I'm just patterning where I want the pattern to be, and the pattern is almost like a C-cut. Now I'm done doing that. I'm just sectioning out the hair at the back, and I'm sectioning it out into 3 different sections. I've already sectioned the front part, so I'm doing the back part and I'm sectioning it out in 3 different sections. The reason is because I want to get all the hair in a particular place, so I have to do that gently, step by step. So that's why I decided to section it out in 3 different places. So I'm going to apply product, and so that the product can be able to reach all sides of the hair equally. So I section out the middle section and the 2 sides of the middle sections. So I'm just going to gradually combine or join all of them together. Before joining them together, I am straightening the first section, which is the middle section, bit by bit, so that it can be straightened a little bit. As I'm doing so, I'm also adding got to be free spray so that it can get the hair together neatly. We'll continue sectioning until I'm done sectioning the middle part or the middle section, and once that is done, I'm going to pack all the hair, that's the middle part, into a bund, like I am trying to pack it into a ponytail, so using like a rubber band to help hold it down. Once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead to take the next section by the right and do the same thing.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. years I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. Man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze.
The last weft of the hair to stay firm, I'm just taking enough spray and spraying it at that particular part where I want it to be before placing the last weft to that part. Then after that, we just take a small piece out of the hair and wrap it around that edges so that it could cover up the weft at that particular part. Hope you get it. Just watch to understand.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing.
Here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful. Do not forget to share to friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'm just rapping. I also leave a comment. Would like to see your comment, what you want to see up next on this channel, like the topic you want to see up next on this channel. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.